Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a Google Calendar in Google Sites. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, visit sites.google.com. Then enter the website you want to add your Google Calendar on. Here, instead of adding it in this page, I will create a new page. So I will click on this plus icon, and let's call it, click on this new page. Let's call it check my calendar, or simply my calendar. Click on done. A new page is created, and also the link, this page link is added to the navigation menu. Now, to add your Google Calendar, simply make sure you are in the Insert tab and scroll down looking for calendar. This is it. Click on it. Here, select the calendar or the Google account that you want to use for this calendar. Click on Insert, and your Google Calendar is added just like this. You can resize it like this. Now, let's check the settings section of this calendar. You can show the calendar title or hide it from here. Same thing for the date, the navigation buttons on the top of this calendar. You can also show the time zone. Use viewers time zone. It is better. You can also view selection. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites for Beginners online course today for free. Inside this online course, you will learn many things including Google Site basics and website setup, pages, navigations and site structure, header, banner and branding customization, design, layout and visual customization, also media, video and interactive content like how to insert a video and audio, etc. Also, how to create forms, maps, and embed tools. You can also learn how to add a button in links, buttons, and call to actions, social media, footer and page elements, custom codes, tracking, and analytics, and at the end, domain, visitors, and website growth. To get all of this, plus my other online courses like Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost, Hostinger website builder, and Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. On the top of this calendar, you can also show the time zone. Use viewers time zone. It is better. You can also view selection. I don't know what they are. View mode, you can select the calendar to be the view mode from month to week to agenda. I think the month is better. Now click on done, and don't forget to hit publish again, and let's view the Google Calendar live. As you see, this is how the Google Calendar looks like. And this is how to add a Google Calendar in Google Sites. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.